Hi guys! Welcome to this video. So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo ng isang matinding trick. I think familiar na kayo dito if you're playing Mobile Legends. Recently, nagkaroon tayo ng KOF bingo wherein sa 10th spin or sa 10th chance, guarantee yung epic skin. Pero tapos na yun dito sa Pinas. But, pwede ulit natin magamit yun using this trick that I'm gonna share to you guys. So this day, baka nag-wonder kayo bakit yung mga friends ko nagsishare ng mga pictures na nakakakuha sila ng maraming skin sa ML. With just 50 pesos load, pwede ka na makakuha ng epic skin and more. Depende sa swerte. What are we waiting for? Simulan na natin. This is the secret. On this process, kailangan lang natin ng VPN app. For me, I can recommend Shuttle VPN, which is downloadable naman sa Google Play Store at sa Apple App Store. So again, download nyo lang yung Shuttle VPN and then install it to your phone. Once you're done installing it, open the app and make sure na kumunik kayo sa Brazil first. Once you're connected sa Brazil, you can then open your Mobile Legends app. And voila! Makikita mo na kagad sa events page yung KOF. So sa part na to, gagawin mo muna is to share the event. Once you're done sharing the event, stop ka muna and close Mobile Legends app. In closing this app, kailangan naka-close siya pati sa background. And then go back to the VPN app and disconnect ka muna, and then this time connect ka naman sa Mexico. Same drill. Open mo na ulit yung ML app mo. Makikita mo ulit sa events page yung KOF, but this time lahat cleared out. So ganun ulit, share mo. Once you're done sharing, what I can suggest is top up ka muna ng 50 pesos via Koda Shop. That's faster. Once you're done topping up or mag-recharge ng Dias, pwede kang maglaro ng isang game. With friends dapat ha. So once you're done doing all those stuff, lahat ng tasks sa KOF event page, pwede mo nang maklaim. Makaka-claim ka na ng chances para makakuha ng skin. So claim mo lang muna yung KOF tickets, wag mo munang gamitin. And then close the app again, balik ka sa VPN, balik ka ulit sa Brazil. Dapat at this moment, pag connected ka na sa Brazil and then you open up ML or Mobile Legends app, dapat ganun na din yun, naka-check na yung mga tasks. So ang gagawin mo na lang, claim mo ulit yung mga KOF tickets. Then the last thing here is mag-claim ka na ng mag-claim doon sa my KOF bingo event. Probably, magkakaroon ka ng 18 tickets. And yun yung gagamitin mo para mag-claim na mag-claim. Again, sa 10th chance or sa 10th ticket, guarantee kagad yung epic skin. And dun sa mga chances na mga ginagamit mo, I can assure you, may mga skin din na ibibigay doon. So ano pa yung naantay mo? Gawin mo na yun and comment down below kung ano mangyayari. And just to share with you guys, ito yung mga nakuha ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, and ang epic skinny Fanny. Thank you so much guys. So don't forget to leave a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much guys and bye bye. See you on my next videos. Peace out.